If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come, bring my spirits up. There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.
So I'm trying a voiceover format. I hope this works. There's been a few more tidbits released regarding the Kristin Smart case. So I'm going to discuss a little bit of that with you guys. It's not going to be really a reaction. It's just going to be more releasing information. So, first of all, I want to remind everybody how near and dear to my heart Kristin is, both Bobby and I. And we both follow true crime and other cases, and we even considered covering other cases in our area, past cases and current cases, and there are a lot of them actually. But we both decided that we're only going to cover Kristin. And this is not a true crime channel. But we are a channel that really wants justice and prays for Kristin and her family. And it's just been too long. And, you know, most of the time we cover the brighter side of life, exploring local events, life here on the magical Central Coast, local events, venues, and sometimes other locations out of the area once in a while. You can see our full playlist if you want to see some of those other videos. We are making an exception for Kristin because she's special and it's been too long and the killer can't get away with this. It's already been way too long. And we especially pray for her family and that she's found. Her family really needs that. Okay, now on to the latest official info released. In addition to what I covered in the last episode on Kristin, if you haven't seen it, go back and watch that. There's not a lot more information, but there's a few info snacks. And I want to make sure that I provide all the new information as it comes out and as I have access to it, as we slowly approach trial and eventually, hopefully, a conviction. And this info I'm releasing is from actual court documents filed by Robert Sanger, which is Paul's defense attorney. Well, the attorney for the accused murderer, and he filed the motion back in December of 2021. And like I said, most of the information's on the other episode, but in essence, they're claiming insufficient evidence to support probable cause. He's claiming the motion was an illegal ruling by the judge, saying that the podcast influenced the prosecution, saying the scent dog evidence isn't reliable, questioning the testimony of some of the witnesses. And also, one of the new tidbits is in June of 96, Robert Singer's claiming that the Arroyo Grande Police Department investigators did not read Paul's Miranda rights when they were questioning him. That June of 96, which was just after Kristin disappeared on Memorial Weekend, May of 96. So very close, too. Back in September 22nd, 2021 to be specific, in San Luis Obispo County Court, the judge ruled there is sufficient evidence to move forward for the murder trial. And the judge further explained in his September ruling that he has a strong suspicion that Kristin was murdered and buried under his father, Paul Flores' deck. It was Ruben's deck. Paul is the accused murderer, and his father's, of course, also going to trial for helping hide her body. So we look forward to the judge's ruling on this, the most recent motion that the defense put in. I'm going to make sure I update this video as soon as there is any ruling. I know it's going to be heard in the court coming up here in a few days on January 21 of 22, which is this Friday. And we expect the judge to deny the motion and that the murder trial will proceed as scheduled in San Luis Obispo County Superior Court on April 25th, 2022. And I do plan to attend some of the trial as I'm able. That's all I have for now, guys. I told you it wasn't much, but all of it matters. And I did find it interesting. Be sure to check out the other episodes if you missed any of them. And justice for Kristin.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for
Bring
watching.
my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still